Hello Capricorn, welcome to Spirited Tarot, and if you're returning, welcome back. I am simply here to do a energy coming towards you reading. Keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Please take only what resonates and leave the rest behind. And please keep in mind, guys, this is simply a tarot reading. It does not define your life. Only you define your life. All right? For Capricorn, who is coming towards Capricorn? Somebody that's been withholding some emotions, some love. They are emotionally stable, though. Who's coming towards Capricorn? This is somebody that wants to celebrate. They're a little in their head about good times. Maybe they're reminiscing. Who is coming towards Capricorn, please? Definitely somebody that wants to build you. They do see your potential. This is someone who really sees your potential. So they're not lost on your worth. Who is coming towards Capricorn, please? Bottom of the deck, we have the Moon, Secrets. Someone else got this, I think Scorpio. Somebody is secretly in love with you, secretly wants to offer you something solid, something good, something long-term. Justice. Oh, yeah. This is a person, look at that. This is a person who wants it all with you, but they come across as cold. So you would never know this person's in love with you. All right. 4 cards. Show us more about this person for Capricorn. This is someone who puts you up on a pedestal. They do see your worth. But this person's defensive. It's like they withhold this offer and they lie to themselves about it. Because they really do like you. Now, there could be an age difference for sure. 3 more cards. But this person does really want you. Yeah, see, this person's guarded. They're guarded, but they don't want you to know how obsessed they are with you and how they think about you. This is someone who has walked away from a heartbreak and probably told themselves they would never love again. And now they've kind of fallen in love with you. Ooh. Yep, and here they come. Again, there's an age gap. This is someone that is a little new, a little younger, a little naive. But look at that. They want to offer you that cup. They feel like you two are meant to be together. And this person is, they have a decision to make. So it is a hot and cold energy going on here. One more card, please. Yeah. But it looks like they are going to communicate, but the communication might be a little harsh. This person, it's like they don't know how to communicate that love. So they might just come out yelling at you, or it's kind of like when a little boy likes a little girl and they pick on the little girl, or the little girl picks on the little boy. It's like that kind of an energy. But they are coming very soon because this person sees you as happiness. And they do spy on you because they are in love with you. All right. Okay. Tell me about this 6 of Wands. I've got the 6 of Wands, please. Yeah, this person thinks... this person's obsessed with you. They are obsessed with you, and they go back and forth on whether or not they should tell you. They dream about you, but then they also have nightmares about losing you or the past and everything that went wrong. Clarify the 2 of Swords, like in their life. Clarify the 2 of Swords. See, this person lies to themselves. They tell themselves they don't want this, but they really do want this. They do want marriage. They did have a lot of spiritual lessons they learned. Again, they're coming out as a Knight of Swords. So this is someone who they just don't know how to communicate their feelings properly. Why the Hierophant? Oop. Yep. And the Moon again, look at that. They secretly want this. This person secretly wants something long-term with you. They see happiness with you. Clarify that Eight of Wands. Clarify that Eight of Wands. So this person, what's driving them is the thought of having regrets, maybe losing you. There's a little bit of a distance here, but they're realizing their defensive nature could cost them an actual solid, long-term committed relationship that would make you both happy. Why the Five of Cups? Why the Five of Cups? Yeah. This person's afraid you're going to walk away. And if you walk away, they're going to lose you forever. So somebody here does spy on you, and they think about this new beginning, and they really, really, really like you. Tell me about the Knight of Swords. Clarify that Knight of Swords. See, they don't know how to communicate their love for you. So they're going to rush in, and it's going to come across as really weird for you when this person does come in. But they really want something stable. They really want something balanced. And they really want to just take their time with this. But they're so scared of losing you, or the possibility of losing you, that it might cause them to make a immature gesture, if that makes sense. All right? And, you know, let this person figure it out, because they seem a little rusty or a little new or just not used to this. All right? So this is what I have for you, Capricorn. If it resonates, please give me a like, guys. If it doesn't, then it's just simply not your story. All right? You are the master of your own destiny here. So, peace and blessings.